Okay, welcome to our tutorial video on how to sign up for DeskingPlus. As you can see here, we're just zipping through the sign up form, including our payment information, billing address, and our summary details. You'll click sign the contract. That'll open up to a e-signer that we are utilizing, third party. And what that'll do is that'll generate the software license agreement. You can take a look at that before starting. But when you're ready, you can start, sign and accept, and then click finish. That'll let our servers know that we have a contract agreement on file. And then that will turn that blue button that used to say start, sign the contract. Now it'll say processing. And then after a couple seconds, it'll complete and you'll get a thank you for your order. Update your password. You can save if you're using Chrome and then log in. When you log in, you'll see the back end of the accounts page, view your charges, and you can also download the DeskingPlus software, as you can see here. Only takes about a minute to download the software onto your computer, but while it's doing that, in the top right hand, you can see there's a video button that will have tutorials that will help you use the software efficiently, including this video right here on how to download. There'll be more videos that will be added as our team continues to get more feedback from our users. So it looks like this is almost completed. When we open it up, we get a message box saying that, do you trust this? Well, you're going to have to trust us. You've already given us your credit card information. So when you open it up, you'll get a Windows protection. You'll hit run anyway. At that point, you will start to see a pop-up. Probably mine is happening on another screen, and it'll be the image of our logo. And then after that, then this will pop up, and this is actually the software. To get started, you'll click on our logo. That'll bring up the user login form, and you'll use the exact same email address that you just signed up onto DeskingPlus with. The password the first time, and you can see the hint here I'm giving you, the password is password the first time you log in, and then you'll be prompted to change that password to something that is more personalized. Okay, so that first time logging in, we verified that you have a subscription, and we've now said that you have to change your password. I'm going to show you what I'm typing in here to say, hey, we're just putting password. Again, that's your old password. And then here, we're going to change it to something a little bit more secure. And then click update password. Okay, so now you'll see that you have a lead example lead there. You can select that. You do have to have one lead, so we've given you one automatically. But before we get started, we have to go to admin, and we need to fill out this form. Now, not all of this has to be completed, which is why this is the part that I am speeding up. I don't type this fast, but there's no need for you guys to wait while I type. The only one that really needs to be completed is the pricing type. The rest of this will just make all of our PDFs and those automation things a little bit nicer with your title and such. But pricing type to calculate correctly does need to be completed. Okay, so once we've completed that, now we can go into search. This, I let it take as long as it will when you sign up. The first time you go into search, it does take a little bit of a long time because it's adding all of the vehicles, our starter pack, just so that you have something to browse with without adding VINs. So that's all happening right now. So give that about 30 seconds or so, and then you'll see that it'll open up the search, and then you'll hit reset. Okay, So now that it opened up, we're going to click reset, and you'll see that there's over 500 vehicles there ready for you to filter. So we'll select brand and Ford. That'll provide the Fords that are there. I can select one just so that you get an idea. And here it is, I'm already quoting. In the top right, you'll see quick quote, and that button will bring up, at any time, it'll bring up the quick quote form, which is exactly what the light version is. So if you like that quick quote, that's what the light version is, and that will always be included in the Pro as well. All right, thank you so much.